So now this is the course which each and every student must go through. It is very an important course which is mandate to each and every student. And to learn Vedic maths, the prerequisites are only 9 tables, multiplication tables, and simple addition and subtraction. It is just you need to learn. If you know 9 tables and if you know simple addition and simple subtraction, you can learn Vedic addition, Vedic subtraction, Vedic multiplication, Vedic division, any addition, any subtraction, any multiplication, and any division, percentages, fractions, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, and also advanced techniques like finding the given number is a prime or not, or like that, and also algebra. These are all total 5 levels, and there is also level 0, which is for to whom, to the students who don't know 9 tables and simple addition and subtraction. So this is for level 0. Okay, okay, fine, let me start with, can you please tell me, use the chart to give the answer, please don't unmute yourself, please give the answer in chat. Can you please tell me how much time do you need to to solve this sum? So ఈ sum solve చేయడానికి ఎంత టైం పట్టొచ్చు? Will you please tell me in chat approximately, no need to solve, just tell me 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So is my voice is clear? It's 2 minutes. Yeah sir, Jairaj garu, will you please rejoin, leave and rejoin again so that the problem will solve. I think I'm audible to each and everyone. So if you have maybe that problem, yeah, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And if you learn Vedic maths, let me tell you, if you learn Vedic maths, you can solve it in just 10 seconds. Answer is, this is the answer. Please check in calculator, is it right or wrong? Please check it in calculator, that is it right or wrong. Will you please, anyone, tell me, is it right or wrong? Is it right? Thank you, Karthik Garu. Karthik Anand. Thank you so much. Okay, and I have another question for you. So if you please don't unmute yourself. Okay, and I have another question for you. Can you please tell me which one will give the answer faster and correct? Brain or calculator? If it is brain, please send B. If it is C, in your point of view. For example, if I give you the question, okay, will you do correct answer? Will you give the correct answer with calculator or brain? Please give the answers fairly. For my concern, please don't give B. Otherwise, I will ask you like this. I will check in calculator, I will do in calculator, and you need to give the answer before me. If you tell it is brain, can you please give the answer? It is C or B? I mean, calculator or brain? Thank you. Anandji is telling that C. Dharani also tell C. What about remaining? Will you please give the answer? Can you give the solution for a problem in less time with correct answer with brain or calculator? Nice. So most of them given the answer, it is C. Okay, let me do one thing. All of you please take calculator. I'm giving you 1 minute time. All of you take calculator. Until I say so, please don't type anything in the calculator. I will say 1, 2, 3, start. You do in calculator, okay? I'm writing the problem. Don't do it. Everyone have your calculator ready? 1, 2, 3, start. I have given the answer already. Is it right? Still you are typing like 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 6. I already given with my brain. Is it right? Yeah. Now tell me which one will give the correct answer with less time. Brain or calculator? Brain. The problem is you're not using the proper methods, which are very easy, which are already defined in our Vedas. Sorry, in our Vedas there are very easiest methods are available, which are the basic math. That is real math. We are doing already. We are all doing wrong math, wrong methods, difficult methods, which makes you feel. Pallavi, will you make Karthik Anand as a co-host with me? Okay, this is Anand and this is me, Sanjeev. And I have a friend named John. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
Anand is updated and he's present generation. He love robots and his friend is Robo Tintin. His name is Tintin. Okay, Anand and me love to see waterfall. We are very excited to see waterfall. So we both went to waterfall. Me with my friend John and Anand with his friend Robo Tintin. Okay, this is the waterfall. So sorry, I'm very bad artist. Please don't mind. And Anand came to the waterfall with his friend. So Anand is here in this edge, and me, Sanjeev, is on another edge. We are very anxious to see waterfall, so that we are here very near to the waterfall. Suddenly, we both fell into the water. So tell me, Anand, what your friend Tintin will do, then what my friend John will do. Yeah, you can give the answer, no problem.
Sir, Tintin cannot save me because he is a robot.
Okay.
And John can save us because he is a human being.
Awesome answer. Because Tintin need instructions from the Anand. Without his command, he cannot do anything. Even he cannot call to 108 or any ambulance or anything. He cannot even think on his own. But John is a human. He has his own decision making skills. And if he knows swimming, he will save both of us. Because he is a human, right? He have humanity. Even he don't know Anand, but he will help him. And but Tintin will never do anything. He just stay calm. Okay, this is the difference between. And if Jan knows he don't know swimming, he will call other who knows swimming. So that is the difference between human and a robot. I hope you all understand. Please don't depend on machines. We need machines, but they are limited. We should use them for the particular context, not for the. We should not depend on them entirely. So if you use your brain and if you train your brain with beautiful methods which are already defined by our rishis in Vedas, you will become like a human robot, human calculator. You can solve any problem. Like you see, let me tell you one this trick, the Vedic method. So this is called equal number of nines method. Okay, equal number of nines method. And equal number of nines method is nothing but how many nines are there, Anand, on right hand side?
Sir, 4.
So we can take any four digit number on left hand side. Okay. For
Yes, sir.
example, if you have three nines here, we can take any three digit number. Any. If you have two nines here, we can take any two digit number on left hand side. And let me tell you to solve it. Step one, we have to subtract one from the left hand side. What will be the answer, Anand? 68 minus 1.
Sir, 67.
Very good. Now you forget about it. After writing this answer, you forget about the left hand side part. And now we need to subtract this 67 from 99. And it is also very difficult for me because I'm a kid. I don't know. I know basics only. So please subtract only each number from 9. 9 minus 6 is
9 minus
Anand.
6, 3.
Very good. 9 minus 7.
9 minus 7 is 2.
This is the answer for 68 into 99. That's it. Very easy, right? You
Yes,
see,
sir.
let me tell you one more example. It is 3 digits. 3 9s are there. We can take any 3 digit number. I have taken 782. So 782 minus 1, 781. And 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. This is the answer. You can take any number of nines here, and you have to take the number of nines, the count of that number of digits you have to take on left hand side.